Should we start? We should start, right?
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Pick it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you like to do the intro? We're gonna be photoshopping some carp photos.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a pretty standard photo. You can choose if you would like to be funny or serious. Yeah, 15-minute timer. Are you ready? Okay, I have an idea of what I'm gonna do here. I have a pretty good idea.
We don't know how to Photoshop, by the way.
Yeah, we really don't. Well, I've been practicing. I've been posting some stuff. I've been doing some practice, but yeah, we're not very good at photoshopping. No! Okay,
Yes.
time is up. Time is up. Time is up.
Okay.
We gotta stop. That's very nice.
Okay, show me yours. You gotta show me yours.
Okay, mine was more of a joke. How about this one? This photo. I have no idea what to do, but we'll figure it out. Timer is going. No! Wait.
That's time. That's time.
Okay.
Get in.
Okay, I'm done. It's a turtle. It was the first animal I could think of, honestly. That's creative, honestly. You can't do that. It is a PG channel. $33, $32, $31, $30, $29. Alright. Time is up.
That's amazing.
You put a bunch of Chuckies in.
I put 2 Pennywise.
Or Pennywise, not Chucky. Oh my god.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit that bell, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. God knows you aren't already. Hit that like button, share it with all your friends, and lick my and that's the video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.